military.
Got someone repping some cleat wear. Nice. That was sick. The precision here is just incredible, and how in sync these guys are. It's nuts. We got a guy ripping up behind these guys. He's coming in quick. Check it out.
How much these bolts cost? Shoot. I learned from a video that they ain't cheap.
I'll give you a better look at this landing gear. Check it out. And then the brakes. There's literally just pad after pad wrapped all the way around.
We're out here hanging around the landing gear.
Got ourselves a good old military Humvee. Getting dropped off by the old heli. That's America, son. Found ourselves a little military mutt. Shoot, doggy. I had to turn around. I'm thinking, man, only if they had something like that for me. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode of the McGuire Air Show. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not easy for a guy in a wheelchair to make these things happen, but I like it. So hit that like, subscribe button, and stay tuned.